Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where I talk about everything Harry Potter and theme park related. Today, we're gonna go ahead and do this amazing unboxing. I've been meaning to do this for a while and I've been dying to get these for such a long time, but financially I wasn't there yet. But good thing that Barnes & Noble went ahead and did a 50% discount this weekend. So I was able to buy each of them for $60 when actually one of them is $60 alone. So basically, I guess you could say I got one and the other one for free, or however you want to see it. But let's go ahead and just stop the talking and get to unboxing these, because I'm very excited to go ahead and see them firsthand. I've been dying to see the details and all the specs that I guess are how heavy they are, or just everything. I've been dying to see these for a long time. I'm so glad to say that I finally own these. So let's just go ahead and open it. Let's start off with Bubble Boy over here. So this is the Bubble Boy bookend. These are actually, to begin with, they're both bookends. So they are a little heavy, so that way they can hold your book section together. I'm not gonna use them as bookends. I'm gonna put them in the Weasley section of my shelf, and they're just gonna look so great. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the Bubble Boy first, and then the Puking Pasties girl. So, okay, so here, let's just, before we just get into the nitty gritty, let's go ahead and talk about these before I actually open these, because I'm so excited to just open them. So yeah, in the back it says sold separately, so that's why I have two different ones. This says, pair the Bubble Boy bookend with the Puking Pasties bookend, sold separately for the display inspired by the Weasleys Wheezes joke shop. Bookend measures 9.5 inches tall. And here it says $60, $59.99 each. And I basically paid just $60 for both of them, which is amazing. Amazing. So let's just go ahead and open. I'm so excited, guys. So while I'm going ahead and opening these, if you guys are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, because I post about everything Harry Potter and theme park related content. And this is somewhat like it. I always do unboxings, reviews, anything in that realm for the Wizarding World. So if you guys love that, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It's really heavy, let me tell you. Either I need a knife, or I'm just gonna destroy this like an animal, and I'm gonna go get a knife. Knife! Alrighty. Alright, so I have this one. Don't break on me. Oh. Dude, this is heavy. Get it? I didn't expect this sucker to be this hard. Okay, there we go. Jeez. And here it is. But here it guys. Oh my god. The color is just the color. From the Noble Collection, creators of finely crafted treasures. And check this out, guys. And it's just so amazing. It has like details. Just like the details are so good. So yeah, this is the Bubble Boy, and I guess I'm gonna put him over here on this side. So I'll put him on. I guess I'll put him on this side. All right, so put him on this side for now. So now, since I have Bubble Boy over here done, let's go ahead and unbox the Puking Pasties girl. Now I don't know, like I said before, if I'm gonna keep these boxes, because I wouldn't know what to really do with them, because I really don't think I'm gonna be selling these anytime soon, or actually never. These are just gonna be in my collection forever. But if you guys feel the need to tell me and warn me to go ahead and keep these, definitely do so. So that way I don't throw them away. Oh my god. So here it is. Puking pastilles. Quick question, because I know there's puking pasties and then a puking pastilles as well. How do you pronounce it? Because I know people pronounce it puking pastilles and puking pasties. So I don't know. Comment down below. See, so I could, maybe I was saying it wrong this whole time in this whole video, and I had no one to tell me anything. But this girl is so cool. Let's see, hopefully the camera can catch on all of that. If anything, I'll do a closer shot of everything and like the details and stuff like that. But check this out, guys. It's gonna be definitely one of the coolest pieces in my Weasley's Wizard Wheezes section here. And yeah, check this out, guys. This looks awesome. Guys, I don't know how long I've been dying to get these for a while, so I'm very excited that I was able to find these by myself. So yeah, I got them. So guys, if you guys, hello. So guys, that is gonna wrap up the video for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, go ahead and smash that like button down below. If you guys are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, because I talk about everything Harry Potter and theme park related content. So without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video, and I love you guys. I'm out of here. Peace.